Have you ever lost crypto and thought it was gone forever? You're not alone. In today's video, we're sharing real client success stories, people who recovered lost funds, regained access to wallets, and got back on track. If you've been scammed or locked out of your crypto, this video is for you. 3 real recovery story. Meet Jason, a young investor from Texas. In early 2024, Jason invested $8,000 in a promising DeFi token. It pumped fast, but within weeks the developers vanished. Classic rug pull. Jason: I thought I had done my research, but the whole thing was fake. My MetaMask wallet was drained. Jason contacted our recovery team. We traced the transactions, uncovered the smart contract triggers, and worked with blockchain analytics to identify the address cluster. After weeks of tracking and legal communication, Jason was able to recover 70% of his funds through coordinated reporting and a legal freeze on a centralized exchange the scammers used. Lesson: never invest in projects with anonymous teams and no liquidity lock. Next, meet Annika from Germany. She bought $15,000 worth of Bitcoin in 2019 and stored it in a wallet. Fast forward to 2025, she had the hardware wallet, but lost the seed phrase. Annika quoted, "I was devastated. I thought I'd never see my BTC again." Luckily, she had saved partial backups in multiple places: a screenshot, a handwritten note, and a browser extension. Using digital forensics, file recovery tools, and a secure process, we reconstructed the entire 12-word phrase. Don't store your phrase online. Use secure, redundant, offline backups. Annika now has her BTC back, worth over $50,000 today. Mark, a freelancer from the UK, received a fake email from what looked like his exchange, asking to verify his identity. He clicked the link, entered his login, and within minutes, his ETH was gone. The email looked 100% legit. I never thought I'd fall for it. Using real-time reporting, Mark immediately contacted our response team. With blockchain monitoring and legal collaboration, we flagged the scammer's wallet. The funds were traced to a CEX account and frozen before being withdrawn. Mark recovered 90% of his stolen ETH in under 2 weeks. These stories teach us 3 things. 1. Speed matters. Act immediately if you suspect a scam. 2. Backups save lives. Store your seed phrases securely and redundantly. 3. Experts can help. Crypto recovery is possible with the right tools and knowledge. It's not just about tech, it's about timing, access, and knowing the system. If you or someone you know has lost access to their crypto, don't give up. Contact us. We offer free consultations and real recovery options. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more real crypto stories, recovery tips, and scam alerts. Crypto isn't just about gains, it's also about protecting what's yours. Stay smart, stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.